Jamesy.
Hi, I'm Jamesy, and in today's video we're going to be drawing a pigeon. Yes, a pigeon. Did you know in the 19th century that pigeon poop used to be called guano, and they used to ship it around the world and use it for fertilizer? They did indeed. Let's get to it! Today we'll be using a thick pen and a thin pen. Oh yeah! And let's get started on the pupils. So we'll do the left pupil first. Do a little half circle and then a circle to join those 2 points up. And we'll just colour that in. Nearly there. Done. And then we'll do the right pupil over this side. We'll draw a half circle and join those up. Done. Now let's draw the outer part of the eye on the left. We're just going to mark some points. Let's mark 4 points around that centre circle. And we'll join those up and make a big circle around to make the whole eye. And then we'll join this. That. And then do the same on the right side. Do 4 points. And then draw around. Right at the bottom. And let's draw that beak. We're going to do a little point here, a little point there. And we're going to do kind of a sharper top of the beak and a less sharp, bit of a shallower curve for the bottom of the beak. And then his mouth, smiley mouth, joining there. And then 2 holes for his little beak nostrils. Oh yeah. Then we'll draw his eyebrows. Start above his eye, about here, come to there. And then go. I'm going to make the inner part of his eyebrow a bit thicker. And then the same on the right side. Point here, point there. Small curve, and then make that thinner on the outside. Thicker on the inside. Now let's draw his whole head. So to draw his whole head, I'm going to do a point there, there, and then in the centre, bottom, and about there. And then we're going to just join these all up. So I'm going to start on this left hand side and come round. Because it's a big circle, it's good to break it into pieces. And join this one to that. Just makes it a bit easier. And nearly there. And I'm going to go back this way because I feel like my curve's better. I'll do it that way. I'm just going to add some little fluffy feathers for the top of his head. Next, let's draw his body. So for his body, I'm going to start about here, make a point there, and a point there. I'm going to do a little curve, and then straight down, and then do the same on the right. So point there, out a bit, down here, and then curve straight. Then we're going to join these bottom bits together. And next, we're going to draw his trousers. So his trousers are going to come in a bit from his top, and they're going to curve around here and here. So we're going to curve from here to there, and then curve from here to there. Then a little bit for the bottom of his trousers. Then here's his legs. I'm just going to do some straight lines, little lines. You can draw his legs longer if you want, but I'm going to do him short, his pigeon. And then another line. Then just his pockets. Just some curves. And a couple of stripes. Maybe How many stripes should he have? 3, I reckon. So 1 here.
Remember to subscribe and click that like button.
Straight lines are quite hard to draw, but practice and you will get better. I'm just going to fill those stripes in. I think this pigeon is a French pigeon. Maybe not. Maybe he's English. Maybe he's a Brummie from Birmingham. And then we'll just draw some details on his trousers, the thin pen. Here's a button with a circle, and here's his fly for his trousers. Next, let's draw his wings. So, do a line down to about here, from about here. Curved line. Stop there. And I'm going to mark some points because we're going to join all these together. And they're going to be like curved lines for the bottom of his wing. Curve, curve, curve. And then just draw some lines for his through his wings to make them look a bit more like wings. And then start on the right side. So let's do this again. We'll draw a line from there, from here to there. And we'll draw some little points to join together. Do some little curves. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll just draw some curved lines to make it look a bit more like wings. There you go. Let's draw his shoes. He's got boots on, I think, so let's draw his left one first. And draw a line across the top, and then a line down, and then a line a bit further down. And then what we're going to do is draw a curve from about here out to here. So I'm going to go curvy curve, curve, curve. And I'm just going to draw a little curve there. Then we're going to draw in these bottom bits up for his sole of his shoe, and do a little line so he's got a proper sole, and some little laces. 2, 3. There's his left shoe, and next we'll draw his right shoe. I called them boots before. I think they're boots, not shoes. They're definitely boots. Okay, so what we're going to do is draw across the top, and then we'll draw down, line further, and then this one's a bit shorter. And next we're going to draw a curve from about here to here, and then we'll draw in those ones across the bottom for the sole. And another line to just make it a proper sole, and then 3 little laces. Hope you enjoyed this video of how to draw a pigeon. Is it a French word? I'm not sure. A pigeon. I like to draw pigeons. Anyway, smash that subscribe button and smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye booey.